The 2024 Ford Bronco is nearly upon us. As of the time of writing, Ford has yet to disclose any details about this upcoming midsize SUV, but we anticipate it will continue to excel in off-road terrain. The 2024 Ford Bronco is on the horizon, although Ford has not yet made an official announcement regarding this new off-road SUV. While we don't anticipate significant changes for the 2024 model year, there are some Bronco enhancements in the pipeline. Consider the 2024 Bronco for a fresh take on the classic off-roading SUV, featuring standard four-wheel drive and a spacious modern interior. While we know that Ford intends to introduce new trim levels and powertrains for its rugged off-roader, we are still awaiting confirmation of their availability for the 2024 model year. During Ford's Capital Markets Day, the automaker informed investors about its plans for several future Bronco models: the Work, Premium, and Heritage Plus. While precise details are scarce, we can make some educated guesses based on their names alone. The Work model is likely to be a robust SUV prioritizing utility over creature comforts, with a price tag to match. On the contrary, the Premium variant is expected to offer a more luxurious interior. The existing Heritage models draw inspiration from the original 1966 Bronco, featuring an Oxford white roof and trim. The forthcoming Heritage Plus models are likely to build upon this styling package, potentially incorporating more comfort and advanced tech features. While there is a plug-in hybrid Bronco powertrain in development, it appears that it won't be available until the 2025 model year. The Bronco PHEV is expected to utilize Ford's 2.3-liter EcoBoost inline four-cylinder engine and a 10-speed modular hybrid transmission. Until the Bronco plug-in hybrid debuts, the 2024 Bronco will likely retain the same engines as the previous year. Turbocharged 2.3L four-cylinder engine, 300 horsepower, 325 lb-ft of torque, with a 7-speed manual transmission or optional 10-speed automatic transmission. Optional Turbo 2.7L V6, 330 GP, 415 lb-ft, with a 10-speed automatic. Raptor-specific Turbo 3.0L V6, 418 GP, 440 lb-ft. Four-wheel drive. We anticipate that order banks for the 2024 Ford Bronco will open this summer.